In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a space in Quora. If you use Quora to discover discussions, answers, and communities around topics you care about. Following a space is a great way to keep up with content from a specific group. Spaces on Quora are community areas built around shared interests, and once you follow one, its posts and updates can become much easier to in your feed. To get started, open Quora and look for the following tab. This is the section where Quora helps you manage the people, topics, and communities you're already connected to, while also giving you suggestions for new ones. Click on the following tab to move into that area. Once you're there, look for the Discover Spaces section. This section is designed to help you find new spaces that may match your interests. You may see a variety of communities here, each focused on a different subject. Take a moment to browse through the available options and choose the space you want to follow. When you find one that looks interesting, click on it to open its page. After the space opens, direct your attention to the right side of the page. There, you should see the Follow Space button. Click that button to begin following the space. Once you do that, Quora will add that space to the list of communities you follow. This makes it easier to return to it later and stay updated whenever new content is posted. If you follow several spaces, this can also help personalize your core experience so you see more of the subjects that matter to you. As a quick tip, before following a space, it can be helpful to glance through its recent posts so you can make sure the content matches what you're looking for. That way, you're not just following at random, you're choosing communities that are actually useful, interesting, or relevant to you. And that's all it takes. Open the following tab, find a space in the Discover Spaces section, and then click Follow Space on the right side of the page. It's a simple process, and once you know where to look, you can start building a more personalized Quora feed in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you learn how to follow a space in Quora.